Welcome to you in Kana Math classes for second year maths under CBSE board based on NCERT syllabus. My endeavor is always that to prepare the student to receive the right concept of the matter and formula involved in the integrals. In the same way, I will try not to advise not to remember the formula, but to derivate the formula since the very beginning on the fundamental grounds. In this sense, I will going to derivate the formula number 4, that is integral of dx upon under root x square minus a square. Here we will put x is equal to a sec theta. Put x is equal to a sec theta. Then we will have dx root x is equal to a sec theta. And now if you differentiate or make derivative of this substitution, we will have dx is equal to a sec theta tan theta d theta. Now we will have to substitute here in place of dx this a sec theta tan theta cos theta. Now we will substitute dx in this step is equal to a sec theta tan theta d theta. And now x is equal to a sec theta, we will substitute here a sec theta whole square. Instead of x square, we will write here a sec theta whole square minus a square. Now a sin theta, sec theta, a sec theta tan theta. If you take here within the under root, take common as a square, out of root this will become a, and within the under root this will become sec square theta minus 1. Now a sec theta tan theta upon a sec square theta minus 1 will be equal to tan square theta. And what about under root? The under root tan square theta will be equal to tan theta. Tan theta will cut by tan theta. Now this will become a sec theta. This become a will be cut by a. Numerator will be only sec theta d theta. Sec theta d theta. Here we will use a trick by multiplying sec theta plus tan theta in numerator and denominator. We have sec theta plus tan theta, or this is sec theta plus tan theta. Now due to lack of space in the blackboard, I want to rub the upper portion of. Now We will try here again. I is equal to, we will multiply by sec theta into sec theta sec square theta plus sec theta tan theta. Sec square theta plus sec theta tan theta, and now denominator will be sec theta plus tan theta. We will again substitute the value of sec theta plus tan theta by t. Put t is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. Now we will differentiate both sides. T means dt, sec theta means the derivative of sec theta means sec theta tan theta. Sec theta tan theta plus tan theta means sec square theta and d theta in both. Now we will substitute this sec square theta plus sec theta tan theta d theta by this. Actually this is sec square theta plus sec theta tan theta. Sec square theta plus sec theta tan theta d theta is equal to dt only. Hence this is dt upon t. dt upon t means log t plus c. If we replace t by sec theta plus tan theta, then I will become log of sec theta plus tan theta plus c. This will be the requisite formula, that is formula number 4. We may extend this formula in terms of x. This will be log of sec theta. We have already put x is equal to a sec theta. Previously we have put x is equal to a sec theta. Sec theta means x by a. Sec theta means x by a. And tan theta, by virtue of this substitution we may find out sec theta is equal to x by a. X by a. Now this side will be equal to x square minus a square. Here we will write here x square minus a square. This side will be x square minus a square. So we will put tan theta. Tan theta. So this will be under root x square minus a square. This side will be upon a. So this will be equal to under root x square minus a square upon a plus a constant c. You may say, you may log, this will be equal to log x plus under root x square minus a square whole upon a plus c. Further extend this, log m by n is equal to log m rid log n. This will become log x plus under root x square minus a square minus log a plus c. Here we will substitute minus log a plus c by another constant, that is c1. Now ultimately we may write here log x plus under root x square minus a square plus other constant c1 means minus log a plus c. This will be the further extended form of the very formula number 4, and earlier we have substituted here. This will also be utilized in some problems of integrals, and the ultimate formula in terms of x will be equal to log x plus under root x square minus a square plus c1. Well, this is all. Now the fifth formula, that is I equal to integral dx upon root a square minus x square. Now we will substitute x, put x is equal to a sin theta. Now make a derivative of this expression. This will be equal to dx a cos theta d theta. Now we will write here, instead of dx we will write a cos theta d theta, and in the denominator under root a square minus x square means a sin theta का square, a square of a sin theta. Now this will be a cos theta d theta. If you take common within the root a square, out of root this will become a, means 1 minus sin square theta. This will become a cos theta d theta upon a. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, and that is under root cos square theta means cos theta. This will be apparently cut by this, and only here left is integral d theta, and by virtue of fundamental rule of integral you may put here integral d theta will be equal to theta plus c. Theta plus c. So actually we here substituted x is equal to a sin theta, means sin theta is equal to x by a, and theta is equal to sin inverse x by a. Theta is equal to sin inverse x by a. So we will substitute here I is sin inverse x by a plus c. This is the relevant formula of I integral dx upon root a square minus x square will be equal to sin inverse x by a plus c. Thank you for watching this video, and I am trying to give a clear concept of the formula. Previously in fourth we have derived the formula in 2 steps, that is some question include the first derivative, some question include second derivative. Hence I try to resolve the 2 derivative also in the formula number 4, and here is formula number 5. It's quite easy. So if you like, comment and subscribe the video. Thanks you for watching.